ChatGPT believes that while artificial intelligence has made remarkable advancements in recent years and is increasingly being integrated into various fields, it is unlikely to completely replace architects. Instead, AI will serve as a powerful tool to complement and enhance the architectural profession, but not render it obsolete. The role of an architect is complex, multifaced, and deeply rooted in human creativity, social responsibility, and a nuanced understanding of culture, history, and the environment, which are all aspects that AI, at least in its current form, cannot fully replicate. The role of an architect beyond technical design. Architects are not just designers of buildings, they are problem solvers, visionaries, and communicators. An architect's work involves much more than drafting blueprints or selecting materials. They are responsible for translating abstract ideas into tangible, functional, and aesthetically pleasing structures that align with both client needs and broader societal goals. Architects work with their clients to understand specific desires, preferences, and requirements, while also considering factors like environmental impact, sustainability, and regulatory compliance. These elements require deep human intuition, cultural awareness, and empathy, qualities that AI currently lacks. For instance, an architect must interpret the emotional impact of space on its users. A building's design can influence how people feel, work, or live within it, shaping human behavior and interactions. The ability to blend artistic expression with technical function is a unique skill of architects. AI, on the other hand, operates primarily on algorithms, data, and predefined rules. While it can generate aesthetically pleasing designs or predict structural performance, it lacks the emotional intelligence to grasp the broader human-centered implications of design. AI's role in architecture assistance, not replacement. AI has already started to transform the architectural industry in various ways, from parametric design and generative design algorithms to energy modeling and building performance analysis. AI can assist architects by providing solutions that would be time-consuming or otherwise difficult for humans to achieve on their own. Generative design, for example, allows AI to generate multiple design alternatives based on set parameters such as material, costs, and special requirements, giving architects more options and the ability to explore more creative solutions. AI can also help automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks such as drafting, code compliance checks, and project scheduling. This frees up architects to focus on the more conceptual and creative aspects of their work. Additionally, AI-powered tools can aid in data analysis, helping architects better understand how environmental factors like sunlight, wind, and climate impact their designs. AI can process vast amounts of data much faster than a human, enabling more informed, data-driven decision-making. However, despite these capabilities, AI cannot replace the critical thinking, artistic vision, and leadership skills that architects bring to the table. Designing a building is not simply about optimizing for efficiency or costs. It is about creating spaces that are meaningful, functional, and connected to the broader community and cultural context. AI can provide data, insights, and even design options, but the final decision still rests with the architect, who must interpret the balance various completing factors, including social, cultural, and emotional considerations. The human touch, creativity, empathy, and communication. One of the key attributes of architecture is deeply human nature. Architecture is an art form that has always been in inextricably linked to human values and experiences. A successful architect must resonate with the people who will inhabit or interact with it, and that requires empathy, something AI cannot replicate. Architects must understand how different groups of people use space, what their needs are, and how to create environments that foster connection, productivity, or relaxation. Moreover, architects are often called upon to make ethical and moral decisions, particularly when it comes to sustainability and social responsibility. For example, designing a community center in an underserved area requires understanding the social context, local culture, and specific needs of the people in that community. AI may be able to optimize a building's energy efficiency or suggest low-cost materials, but it cannot understand the nuanced social dynamics or make ethical decisions that align with human values. These considerations are central to architecture and require human judgment, intuition, and empathy. Architects are also project managers who coordinate a wide range of professionals, engineers, contractors, urban planners, and clients, while navigating the complex world of zoning laws, building codes, and regulations. This requires strong interpersonal and communicational skills, as well as the ability to manage expectations, resolve conflicts, and bring different stakeholders together toward a common vision. AI cannot replace the leadership and collaborative skills that architects bring to the table in guiding a project from concept to completion. AI and the future of architecture, a collaborative approach. Rather than replacing architects, AI is likely to evolve as a collaborative tool that enhances the profession. As AI becomes more integrated into architectural workflows, it will free architects from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on innovation and creativity. For example, AI could provide real-time feedback on energy efficiency, structural integrity, or building codes, helping architects refine their designs faster and more accurately. Generative design tools could open up new possibilities, offering architects an array of design alternatives that they might not have considered otherwise. Furthermore, AI could play a crucial role in improving the sustainability of architectural projects by analyzing data on energy consumption, material usage, and environmental impact. AI can help architects create buildings that are more energy efficient, environmentally friendly, and cost effective. It could also enable architects to optimize space usage in urban environments, design structures that are more resilient to climate change, and reduce waste in the construction process. However, this collaboration will require architects to develop new skills. As AI becomes a more integral part of the design process, architects will need to understand how to use AI tools effectively and ethically. They will also need to ensure that AI is used to enhance the human-centered values of architecture rather than replace them. Architects will continue to play a critical role in shaping the built environment, guiding AI's application to ensure that designers are not only functional and efficient but also human, social, responsible, and culturally meaningful. Conclusion. In summary, ChatGPT believes that AI will not replace architects, but rather serve as a powerful tool to support and enhance their work. While AI can automate certain tasks and provide valuable data insights, architecture is an inherently human profession that requires creativity, empathy, ethical decision making, and communication skills. Architects will continue to be essential in shaping the future of the built environment, and AI will likely play an important role in helping them to do so more effectively and efficiently. The future of architecture is likely to be one of collaboration between human architects and advanced AI systems, with each completing on others' strengths.